Hello. Um, I've been doing a fair bit on the van the last few days. So what I'll do is I'll show you around it actually, because it's looking good, and it's looking very promising for a few weeks actually. Even though I've lost that bet, it is looking promising for a few weeks to get away from here and straight down to Spain. Which just happens to be in that direction. Yeah, so Spain's in that direction, and in that direction over there is the van, which is where we will go now. And I can show you just very quickly what I've been up to. Prince has been quite good actually. He's where are you? I don't really want him to jump up at it, but he's there wanting to come out. Yeah, but he's been pretty good lately. Yeah, so over to the van. What have I done in the last week or so? There you go. Oh, just in regards to the last video actually, things have slightly perked up at the house. And my parents are just being my parents, and I'm just being me, and we're staying out of each other's way. But it's not funny. But yeah, onto the van. Right, so what I've done is, what I'll do is actually, just before I show you, because there's quite a lot of noise from the fans, I'll just turn them off. Yeah, turn them off, and then I should be able to I should be able to speak properly then. Right, so what's been going on with the van? Well, let's start with this, which is what you already know. Now the heater, that's now in and fixed. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around and show you, but I'm going to have to put something on the floor, so I'll be back in 1 sec. Right, so I'm under the van now. What I'm trying to show you is obviously that, which is the water heater. It's a 12 volt gas water heater that sits under the van. It's a brand new product. It's made by Whale, and it sits quite nicely under the van. This here, 1 second, this plate here that it sat on, that was obviously made, but you could drill it in through this point here, but that's obviously made. There's gas pipe which will run into the gas tank, and obviously all these holes will be filled in. Yeah, that's the Whale water heater. Now if you'll allow me to get out from under the van, I'll be back with you in a sec. Yes, I'm out from the van now, and obviously it's sat there underneath it. You can't see it at all, which is nice, and obviously it saves space inside the van. So that's it, just under there, tucked right underneath where that piece of cardboard is. It's looked great actually. Well, not that you can see it, but it looks like it's going to be great to use. And then what have I done inside the van? Mainly stuff to do with that. Now the diesel heater is all set up. I'll get onto that. the diesel heater is all set up. So there's the outlet, so that's where the heat will be blasted around. Yeah, so that's where the heat will be blasted around the van to keep it warm. I've said blasted quite a lot this week actually, strange that. But yeah, there's a gas pipe going in, and that will feed the hob and the oven, and obviously the shower and stuff like that. There's the water tank at the end. Sorry, I'm still getting used to this thing. Yeah, so there's the water tank and the water pump all being put in place. And then as you can see, there's a cold water that will run from there down over to the front where the sink will be, and then it will then come back along here, back over along that sort of trench there, and then down into the Whale diesel heater, water heater. So that'll be good. And then obviously here will be toilet and then shower and things like that. Yeah, in regards to the diesel heater, I don't know if I said in one of my videos I had actually broken one of the I'd actually broken that screen. It got cracked, so it was smashed. So the diesel heater, I've not even used it yet, but managed to get another one, and for some reason they seem to have got another one as well, so that's all right. Always take a spare. So yeah, that diesel heater set up, and also behind me, I don't know if you can see, but I'll turn them round. We've got some sort of semblance of now windows in the van, and obviously up at the front as well. So it is looking all right. I'm getting very excited, and get it finished, and then off to Spain, see what Spain has to offer. But yeah, thanks for watching. Only a short video because I am really trying to power on now. And I'll see you next time, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because there's going to be more and more regular content coming anyway. Cheers, appreciate it, bye bye.